This is Ken Bruick with Modus VR here at InfoComm 2026. This year we're showing off Modus 2. If you're familiar with Modus VR, in the past we were a VR-only tool. Modus 2 makes VR optional, so you can use it on any desktop computer or laptop. Modus 2 is a radical departure from what we've done before. We still have all the same benefits of rapid AV visualization, where you can quickly brainstorm product and project ideas with clients, show off camera patterns, microphone patterns, display capabilities. We're also introducing the Discus standard into our software. But the key value of Modus is being able to brainstorm solutions with your clients in real time, dramatically reducing the amount of time it gets to get your stakeholders aligned. Check it out. We've got a free trial. Anyone can come up and sign up, but we're also doing hands-on demos at the booth, so you can take it for a spin yourself. So come see us in the Central Hall. We're booth 8201, and we hope to see you soon.